Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I trim my eyebrows using an electric eyebrow trimmer. This video is sponsored by KSalon. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And yeah, before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Join my fam, you know you want to. And yeah, let's get into this video. So the eyebrow trimmer is only $13 and it's sold on Amazon. They actually also have a 5% coupon going on right now, so you can get it for even cheaper. And look, it's sold on Amazon, so you can like get it super like conveniently. Amazon is like literally the place I go to for everything, and I'm so excited because I actually really needed one of these. I use this for more than just eyebrow trimming. I also have a lot of facial hair. This video is going to be me showing you how I shave my face. I do have a video of me dermaplaning, which is a little different. I do this about once a week. Sometimes I have to do it more often, and I'm going to show you why in a second. I'm very self-conscious about my facial hair, but I'm Hispanic, Cuban, if you didn't know that, and Hispanics have a lot of hair. I hate to say, I mean, at least most Hispanics in my experience. Cubans have a lot of hair. We have a lot of hair. I've gotten laser hair removal in almost every single part of my body except for my face, which I'm currently doing. But in the meantime, in between sessions, I have to shave my face. So I do use this electric eyebrow trimmer to trim my eyebrows and shave my eyebrows, and also to shave my face. Before I show you exactly what's in here, I do want to talk a little bit more about like why I do it. So I take really close-up pictures for Instagram, eye looks, and I hate when you can see even the little like tiny hair particles that are right under the brow. So that's why I shave under my brow. I've been doing this for years, even before this company contacted me to do this video for them. But I actually did not have my electric razor for a very long time because I had just moved and it was packed away and I can't find it. I literally have no idea where it is. I did order another one from Amazon and it was different and it's not as good. I don't want to say the company and I don't even want to show it, but honestly I can tell you 100% that this is a lot better. This blade is a lot more sharp, and I'll show you in a second exactly what I'm talking about. The reason I shave the rest of my face, like my entire face, is because my makeup just applies a lot better. If you have a hairy face, or not even like super hairy like you're about to see, and I'm so self-conscious about this, and I was like debating not even showing you how I shave the rest of my face because I'm like so self-conscious about it, and I'm gonna put this out there on the internet for people to watch, and I'm like, it's like, okay, you'll see. You'll see what I'm talking about when you zoom in, because right now you can't see what I'm saying. But anyway, the reason I shave my face also is because my makeup just applies so much better, so much smoother. I feel like I get foundation to look more full coverage and more flawless when my face is completely shaved. Dermaplaning is something a little different. I do have a dermaplaning tool that I'm not going to use in this video, but this will give it a similar effect, just not to the extent that a dermaplaning tool does. Dermaplaning is shaving your face, but it's also exfoliating the top layer of skin, which you wouldn't get to do with just a normal facial scrub. So using that dermaplaning tool once a week, and I usually do use this as well before I use a dermaplaning tool, really gets rid of the dead skin cells on the top layer of your face. So that's also why I shave my face, just to exfoliate. This gives some exfoliation to some extent, but it's not as intense as a dermaplaning tool. It's just like one of those razors that you can buy on Amazon, but I have one that's a little bit more expensive because it's better quality and the blade is a little better quality. But I'm not going to show that in this video because this video is dedicated to this tool, which will give you the same effect, just not to the extent that the actual dermaplaning tool does, in the sense that it won't exfoliate as much, but it does do a great job of trimming everything, not trimming, shaving everything. It gives a close shave. I've used this about 3 times and it's amazing. And I'm gonna explain why this is better than the other eyebrow trimmer that I have. First of all, I love that it comes in this packaging. It is such a nice package, whereas the other one that I had came in like a plastic and I had to like cut it open, and it wasn't as like, you know, sleek and stylish as this. I mean, not that that matters, but there's a lot of stuff in here that the other one didn't come with, which is amazing. And this is just a little sliding thing, and then this is what it comes with. It actually comes with an extra blade, which is amazing. For $13, you get this entire little pen. It already has a blade attached to it. It has an extra blade, it has a cover, and it has the eyebrow trimmer as well as a charger. That is the #1 reason this is better than my other eyebrow trimmer, is that the other eyebrow trimmer takes batteries and batteries die and then you have to replace them. This, you just charge it, and I have my USB charger, so I'm going to show you exactly how it charges. So it also comes with a manual, and it tells you everything you need to know about it, how to use it, how to charge it, what you should do. and I'm gonna demo exactly how to use it in a second. But yeah, it just has all that information, and it also has a warranty card. So please send the product with this copy to the below address within 12 months from your date of purchase for warranty. So if it breaks, you have up to 12 months of a warranty, which is amazing. And then they'll probably send you a new one. This is what the pen looks like. I really like that it's super travel friendly, and you can just like literally stick this in your purse and take it wherever you go. And that's honestly what I do, because sometimes, and my husband is like, he knows I'm so self-conscious about it, so he'll tell me, okay, you gotta like, and he'll go here. I'm gonna show you the amount of hair I have. My hair is dark, as you can see, my roots are growing in. Can't go to the salon for a while because, you know, Corona. I'm not going to the salon, so my roots are gonna grow out. My roots are dark, and that's the way my facial hair is as well. Oh, before I continue, no, it is an absolute myth that your hair grows back darker and thicker and anything like that after you shave it. I've been doing this for years, and my hair has always remained the same. It has literally never changed anything. I mean, I'm getting laser hair removal, so my hair is actually a lot thinner than it used to be now, because it's thinning it out until it's like gone. It does not grow back thicker. It is an absolute myth. You can use this to shave anywhere, you know, you have really thin hair or small amounts of hair. I don't recommend using this to shave your entire leg, but maybe your toes. I do have hairy toes. My husband calls my feet hobbit feet. I hate it. I do have hairy toes, and I can use this. I haven't used it on my toes yet. I've really only used it on my face, but why not? You can use it if you have like really thin hair on your arms. I actually got my arms lasered as well, so they're not as thick as they used to be. Yeah, I use it on my face and neck basically, and then as an eyebrow trimmer as well, and I'm gonna show you how I do that in a second. So I'm gonna show you how to charge it. It does not, oh, and it also comes with a brush, which was under to clean that. So and I'll show you how to clean it at the end, but I'm just gonna show you that it does charge. It takes 2 hours to charge fully, and then that charge will last you an hour. And honestly, I've used this thing 3 times already, and I never charged it at all, so I don't think that you need to charge it so often. Let me go ahead and plug it into the wall. I'm not even sure that this is gonna be in frame because the plug is so far away, but I just want to show you that you can charge it. It actually looks like a standard charger, not like for an iPhone, but like for a Samsung maybe. And yeah, you see the blue light, it is charging. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. This is my disclaimer. Do this at your own risk, honestly, but also disclaimer that I'm very, very self-conscious about my facial hair. I let my hair grow out for a little bit more than a week so that I can show you exactly how bad it gets and how well this thing will shave it off. But please, please, please don't make fun of me, because it's something I'm like so self-conscious about, and I want you guys to see exactly how amazing this tool is. So I'm just gonna do it, okay? I'm gonna zoom you all the way in so you guys can see it. I'm so self-conscious. So this is as far as it zooms in. Pretty sure you're still gonna be able to see the amount of hair I get on my neck. It is kind of crazy, and yes, I'm self-conscious about it, but this is why I do this, and this is why I'm getting laser hair removal now too. But I'm gonna actually start off with the brows. So what I do is I have a mirror, and I have a magnifying mirror, so I put it on the magnifying side. Let's hope this doesn't get in the way. No, it's not in the way. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see my brows, but they are pretty grown out. The way this works is you hold it for 2 seconds, and then it turns on, and you know it's on because the light turns blue, and you hear it obviously. And what I do first is I actually shave the bottom part of my brow. Hold on, let me actually explain this first. So I shave the bottom part of my brow with this, and then there's actually the eyebrow attachment, the eyebrow trimmer. So I do have some stray hairs over here, if you can see them, that need to be trimmed, and I'll kind of show them when I'm done with that. But I highly recommend that you have your elbows on a table while you do this. Pull the eyebrow up so you can shave really close to the brow. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Also, you need like the lightest amount of pressure, and if you use more than that, sometimes you'll get a nick and like it'll actually make you bleed. So you just gotta be careful with that. So then I go to the top and I do all the hairs that are really close, because this gives a much obviously closer shave than the eyebrow trimmer attachment. It's also doing a little bit of exfoliating. I don't know if you guys can see some of the dead skin coming off, which I absolutely love. And while I'm at it, I'm just gonna do the center as well. Here you have to be careful. I have like a few pimples, and I think I just nicked one. So you have to be like literally the smallest amount of pressure. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna continue as usual. I'm gonna start actually on the top of my lip. So I always go downward first. Then I go upward. Like, I prefer this over waxing because waxing is painful. So now I'm gonna go under my lip. I do have a lot of other like thinner hairs, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just go upwards. By the way, my skin is very sensitive, so if you see my skin getting red, don't be alarmed. If you have sensitive skin, the same thing will happen to you, but if you don't, it probably won't. It's not me putting too much pressure, it's not this being too harsh, it's just the way my skin is. Do you see that already? Let's see if it'll focus. That is insane amounts of hair. I'm very self-conscious about it. It is what it is. And I also do my sideburns a little bit. Not too much. Just like the bottom part, close to my ear. Oh yeah, I wouldn't do this over active pimples because it'll really hurt. My face already feels so smooth. I'm obsessed. This is the amount of hair. That's crazy. All right, now for the neck. As you guys can see, I'm so self-conscious about this. Oh my gosh. These are much blacker and thicker. I do tend to go over my face a few times just to make sure it's like as smooth as I want it to be. I think it's pretty good. I did forget to mention you want to start with a clean face. I still have a little makeup over here from when I had makeup on earlier. My bad. But yeah, you should definitely start with a clean face. I did wash my face, but I guess I just missed that one area. Just so you guys know, you just definitely need to wash your face. So I'm done with this attachment. Let's go ahead and pop it open to see how bad it is inside. You saw how much hair I blew away and stuff. That's how much hair is left in there. So I'm gonna take the little brush attachment that comes with, and I'm gonna go ahead and just clean. And then clean the blade as well. It is now clean. I'm gonna go ahead and use the eyebrow attachment now. Okay, now that it's all clean, I did go put it back up. I did forget to mention that you should, like when you take it out, all you have to do is lower that and then it pops off, and then bring it back up when you put it back up. I think I was using it without it being up. It stays, but like it obviously is more secure when you do it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and add the eyebrow trimmer attachment, and it looks like this, and all you do is just pop it on. So I'm using the side that is a little bit longer because I don't want my brows to be too short. I actually do the feathered brow look and I like my brows to be a little bit longer, but what you do is you turn it on. And then you're going to go against the brow hair just to trim. Now I'm just gonna comb them through, and as you can see, the before and after is insane. I'm just gonna take this out and clean it one more time. There's a few hairs that went in there. And then I'm gonna pop this open again and clean in here one more time. It actually does say to lubricate the blade to make it last longer, so I'm gonna take just a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna use my facial oil, to be honest, because I'm gonna put it on my face after too. I'm just gonna put actually just some on my face first, and then I'll take a drop and put it on the blade. It makes it last longer, and I definitely recommend replacing the blade as soon as you feel like it's getting dull. So it depends on how much you use it, but for me it's probably gonna be, I would say max 2 months before I replace the blade. I do have to double check and see if they sell just the replacement blade on its own. I'm pretty sure that they do, because that's the really unique concept about this exact trimmer. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed the way I shape my eyebrows, and hopefully you guys found this beneficial, because let me tell you, this is a game changer. I highly recommend this product, and it's not just because they're sponsoring this video. It is very affordable, $13 plus a 5% discount, and it is just so great, and it has changed the game for my eyebrows. I've used it for 3 weeks now, and I'm absolutely in love with it. And I hope you guys don't judge me too much for my facial hair, because it's something I'm so self-conscious about. Definitely put myself out on the internet. Wow. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.